What's up, Fable? It's Tyler here. Today I want to be talking about video ads and why you should be running them. Video ads are a great way to build custom audiences. If you think about it, they don't have to click on your website to be added to a custom audience. If they watch 3 seconds or more, they're already added onto that list. Also a great way of screening people out. You can see who watches 3%, 25%, 50%, 75%, 95%. So you really see who's really interested in what you're offering. And whenever you're creating ads, you want to, or when you're creating video ads, you want to make sure that you're providing value. You want to be doing that all the time for your customers in general. But just make sure when you're creating a video ad, make sure that you're educating them, informing them. What else can you do? Demonstrating a product. Just create value for your customer. Give them what they want to see. Facebook ads are not for advertisers, they're for the people, they're for the end user, the people that actually use Facebook. So if you want to be able to beat Facebook's algorithm, then you have to be able to give something that people actually want to see. So start to think, ask yourself, what do my customers, what do my people want to see? This is Tyler. If you like this video, like and share. Like the page if you want more Facebook advertising tips and tricks. Have a blessed day. Love you all.